Hey, what's up everybody? Greg Roundoff here from DECKED, also lovingly known around these parts as the marketing guy. Welcome to another tantalizing edition of DECKED 101, where I'm going to tell you all you need to know about the new 8-foot drawer system and load floor. If you own a truck with an 8-foot bed to haul plywood, drywall, big boy toys, or maybe just your ego, we have some really good news for you. As you probably know, historically, we have not made a drawer system that's actually 8 feet long, and that's for a number of really good reasons. Instead, we created a version of the 6.5-foot system which drops in an 8-foot bed. The bummer about this is that we create a trade-off, and admittedly it does suck for a lot of people because you end up with this 20-inch or so gap at the cab side, which does not provide an even load surface for transporting sheet goods or other large items. Granted, a lot of people have liked that because they can add a toolbox or a transfer tank to that space, but to be clear, that is a minority, and we've been hearing about it on a daily basis for almost the 8 years since we made this 8-foot drawer system for you. So if you're one of those people who thought we were idiots, and that is not a small population, I'd like to introduce you to the new DECKED 8-foot drawer system featuring the new load floor extension. This is the new 8-foot drawer system product by us going forward. So if you order an 8-foot drawer system, you will get a 6.5-foot drawer product and the load floor extension I'm going to show you. It comes in one big box, and it'll get you on the road with a complete setup, no gap included. If you already own an 8-foot drawer system and just want to fill that gap, keep watching because we got you covered as well. To fill ye old gap, we have engineered a rugged insert which drops into the cab side gap previously created by us, giving you a continuous and level 8-foot load surface from the tailgate to the cab side bulkhead. It's made exactly like the drawer system with the same materials and engineering you've come to love and trust. It has the same 2,000-pound payload as a drawer system and is very easy to install. Now you can load up the entire length and width of your bed with everything from plywood to big tools to ATVs to snowmobiles to your mother-in-law's washer and dryer set or old refrigerator. A few things that you'll notice is on the top of the load floor, you'll have 2 large stash lids which open up and let you store things either in the 4 included stash bins or just stuff whatever else you don't need regularly underneath in the new space we've created. It's a fair amount of space and easily accessible from the top. One thing to note is while the stash bins are weatherproof, anything that's not in a stash bin is not protected from water or dust. The load floor itself is not weatherproof, just the stash bins, which are also lockable using our accessory locks, which are the same that you can purchase to lock your drawers or your other stash bins. But what about cargo glide, you might be asking? Well, don't worry. You can still install a cargo glide on top of the drawer system portion of the product just as before. That will be a 73-inch or about a 6.5-foot cargo glide, not in a 96-inch or 8-foot version. Due to the laws of physics and our lack of good understanding around the subject of levitation, we do not have an engineered solution to mount a full 8-foot cargo glide on top of the load floor portion of the product, which is where that cab side bracket would lie. If you're already a DECKED 8-foot drawer system owner and want to purchase the load floor for your truck to fill that gap, there are a couple nuances here to cover. First, for those of you who already own a drawer system and are just purchasing the load floor, these are only available from our website. Our dealers cannot access this product for you. It's a rolling change and not a product which the warehouse distributors will be stocking. Second, it's important to clarify this product only fits the new version of the drawer system. You can tell if you have the new drawer system just by looking and seeing if you have the ammo cans in the corners or the stash bins with pass-throughs like this one. If your system looks like this, you're good to go. If you have our original system, unfortunately, it's not gonna work and you need to purchase the 8-foot drawer system with the load floor to get your truck bed covered. And finally, if you're still with us after all that, you'll need to take a measurement so that we can get you the right product. So to measure, take a tape and measure from the cab side end of your drawer system to the face of the rib surface on the cab side bulkhead. Not the valley, but the forward-facing surface of the rib. Make sure your tape is straight and level and square, and take the measurement carefully. Then use this measurement to find the corresponding product on our website's product page to ensure you get the right thing shipped to you. So if you're an 8-foot drawer system owner who wants to fill that gap in your bed, or you've been on the fence about a drawer system for your 8-footer, we got you covered. Pretty literally in this case. It's just as burly and beefy as you've come to expect from us, and will ensure that when you get paid more, have better looks, and get more time off. So drop in and get your 8-foot rig the gift of access, organization, and protection. And just like everything else we make, all DECKED products are always made in the USA, and they carry a no BS lifetime warranty. If you want to learn more about the 8-foot load floor extension and see how it comes together, check out our easy to follow installation video. So thanks for tuning in to Deck 101. Hopefully this answered all your questions. We look forward to making you a customer. If you're already a customer, thank you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments of this video. Hit us up on the socials, send us an email, a chat, a phone call, a smoke signal, whatever is best for you. We're here to help and look forward to working with you.